What's up, YouTube? Got the base coat done on the vet. It's looking good. Looking good. Still wet. That's why it's a little shiny. But that's what it's looking like. So far, so good. Had a few little scratch marks that showed up. It's already fixed. Right here. It's like I already re-scuffed it up because I'm about to put the Corvette flag right here. So, got mask that off so I can lay my stencil down. Same with the bottom of the door scuffed up. Lay it going right there. Because if I put it any lower, you know, the car sits real low, so you won't be able to see it. But that's what it's looking like. But yeah. This is also a single stage. That's one reason why I didn't dual it out. But I am putting the clear coat over it. Just what's in the budget. So it's still a base coat, clear coat, but it's a single stage base coat. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.